Bitcoin went down to 81,950 and everybody's asking, hey, didn't we expect Bitcoin go to new all-time highs? Didn't we expect this? So why Bitcoin is going down again? Wasn't there, BlackRock buying and all the institutions waiting just for this moment? And now we're going back down again. What's happened? I want to talk about this. I'm now here in Argentina, near Buenos Aires, in a nice laguna, and I thought, okay, let's quickly record this video and tell the people what I think what's going on now. Look, I think that Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency are highly manipulated. All what you're seeing, the up and downs, this is not organic. I'm in crypto from 2016 and I can tell you that I have seen never anything like this. There was always a pattern. There was always, whenever we have seen, okay, now we're in an uptrend, we're in a downtrend, now we can expect higher prices, now we can expect lower prices. Yeah, there was up and down, but not this constantly up, down, without seeing any real trend. This have never been in crypto since I'm in crypto from 2016. So what is my solution for this? What do I think? I think that there is a group of people, and you can see this, that they launched a coin, another coin, and all went down and all this crap, you know. I don't want to talk about this and I don't want to give any opinion from my side about this. But I can tell you that it's not anymore working. It's not even working to swing trade. It's not working to invest in crypto. Yeah, oh, it's the future of finance. Oh yeah, this will go to the moon, this will go to there, this will go to there. Yeah, might be, but if not, what happened then, you know? So what I think, the only thing that is working, not even intraday, sometimes I open a position and I see the position in good profit and a few hours later, bam, stop loss hit or stopped out and break even. So all this doesn't work anymore for crypto. So then what is the solution? I can tell you the solution is very short scalp trades, very short trades, or very short swing trades, intraday swing trades, where you open a position in 2-3 hours, you close it, you know? So what is the solution that I can offer you? I will bring you here on this channel in the live stream every day crypto signals. I started a little bit and like the market is really crazy, up, down. I was just putting some signals, some went out very amazing. It's normally trading signals like 1 to 3, 1 to 5. You risk $100, you make $500. You risk $1,000 to make $5,000. You know. And I will hire a trader. If you're a good trader, write me a comment. Contact me on Twitter. And I will hire a very good scalper. I'm not a very good scalper, you know. I know I can understand crypto. Made a lot of money with trading. I lost a lot of money with trading, but I'm not a good scalper, you know. So I will hire a very good scalper, and this scalper will every single day show you here how to scalp trade, how to make quick $200, $300, $500, $200, $150, $180, lose $30, lose $40, make $150. You know, this is what I want to do. So if you are interested in this, a place where you know you can just switch on YouTube, open your bybit account. By the way, I have a $500 free bonus for you, $500 free trade for you from Bybit, just in the link down. If you cannot use Bybit, use Bluefin. They are both the best exchange that I know. They're in the market right now. Here in the pinned comment, you have the link. And I have a trading group. In the trading group, you can also get signals from me. But the live trades, this will be really a game changer for you and for many people. So if you're interested to see these live streams, then just put me a comment, say, yeah, I would love to see these live streams, live scalp trading. I would like to participate, okay? Because if nobody wants to do it, yeah, I still will hire the trader and I will scalp trade with him alone. So why should I live stream this? Why should I take the risk? Why should I do the effort if nobody's interested? So if you are interested, put me a comment, share this video with as much people as possible. Because as more comments I see, as more quick I will start to hire a trader and start with the scalp trading. Okay, thank you very much. Tell me, what do you think about it? What do you think about what I've told you? Is it bullshit? It's no, Ronnie, it's just an up and down like always, and we will go to the moon? Or do you say, yeah, Ronnie, there's a difference in the market. It's almost impossible to make money here. Okay? Hope to see you soon. Take very much care of your crypto. Put me a comment if you want to participate in the scalp trading live streams, maybe from next week already. And see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.